can manage your team's work easily with Monday.com. Just go to Monday.com and start tracking. You can manage your team's work easily with Monday.com. Just go to Monday.com and start tracking. You can manage your team's work easily with Monday.com. Just go to Monday.com and start tracking. You can manage your team's work easily with Monday.com. Just go to Monday.com and start tracking.
Hola. How's it? Let's just wait for others to join. Can you please let me know if you can hear me? Let me know if you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, thanks, brother. Let's just give it a time and then we will start. I don't want to be long on this one, so let's just wait a little bit. Just a quick disclaimer though before we start. Everything that I'm going to talk about right here is basically based on what I'm seeing on the market. I stand to be corrected if someone sees something different from what I'm seeing. And also, this is not a final say, meaning that you can still have your setup being invalidated as time goes. So I'm only going to show you how I analyze and what type of trades I'm looking forward to take. So it's up to you if you're going to take them or learn from the setups. Basically what I do is I'm trying to make sure that people do understand the setups that I share in the group. So instead of me sharing a setup and without explaining what's going on with the setup, I decided to do this live session where I'm going to show you exactly how I'm analyzing, and if I send a certain setup, what should you look for. Okay, so yeah, we are also live on YouTube. People on YouTube, can you please indicate if you can hear me, so we can continue. Let's see, the time now is 24 past, and I think we should just start with the session, man. So can everyone hear me, right? Can also use the chat to indicate if you can hear me. So yeah, let's get started with it. So in the group I asked if that's fine. So in the group I asked if which kind of pair should we look for, and we only got a response for GBP USD. I guess maybe since it's weekend, since it's Saturday. Most people are busy doing their own things. Anyway, we're going to continue. So we will start with Gbp Usd. I don't want to be long on this session, so we're going to start with Gbp USD. Now the right way to start your setup is to clean everything. Please do not write on my screen, guys. So the right way is to delete everything that you have drawn from the past week. So you need to clear that. So we're going to delete everything on the screen, and we're going to start afresh. First of all, I'm going to highlight my zones and also draw my trend lines. So currently what I'm seeing right here, I'm seeing that the market has been on an uptrend for days now. Remember, we are on a daily time frame. So for days now, the market been on an uptrend. So this is what I'm seeing right now. This was the first touch here, and then the second touch, it seems like the market is going down. However, on an uptrend, we still have selling opportunities at some point. Okay, Mbali raised the hand. Mbali, can you talk? Or just leave a text, and then I will just attend to it. Please leave a chat there. I will attend. So what happens is that the market has been on an uptrend. However, on an uptrend doesn't mean we're only looking for buying opportunities. There can also be some selling opportunities. Yes, I am recording this, so it will be available on YouTube, I guess, because I can also share it in the group as well. It's fine. So this is what I'm seeing on a daily time frame. We can also identify the highest point and the lowest point, but then I don't like doing this on a daily time frame. It's going to create a lot of messy charts for me. So I rather just leave this two trend lines right there and continue to go to the next time frame. So the next time frame for me would be 4 hours. So 4 hours is the only time frame where I could see more possibilities with this trade. So as I said, we're only focusing on the current price, and we don't care what happened before, because if we are looking for what happened before, we might get tired before we can even get to analyze what is happening right here. So we started from daily time frame, and now we're scaling to lower time frame. We can spot this right here. You can either extend it to this side and then clone it to be on this side as well. So currently the market has finally break this trend line right here, and then now it's looking for a retest, meaning that there are two opportunities that might come with this trade. First of all, we saw on a daily time frame that this actually was just dropping. This was dropping to the downside to test at this level. However, on the 4-hour time frame, we're seeing something different, of which we might also be able to shoot up again. But we need to have like multiple confirmation. We cannot just assume about the movement and then leave it like that. So let's identify our zones. First of all, we have this zone right here. That will be the zone, our first zone, the highest zone. We need the highest, the middle one, and the lowest. So that will be the highest zone, and then this one right here will be the middle zone. this one right here will be the middle zone, and then finally we're going to have the lowest one right there. Right there we have the lowest zone right there. So we have two scenarios. For selling opportunities, we're going to identify our sales. We're going to look for selling opportunity actually after this breakout right here. Once the market breaks out this support right there, we might look for selling opportunities. However, for now, what I'm looking for is buying opportunities, especially when the market I'm expecting the market to shoot a little bit down here and then go up again, or we can look this as a type of a head and shoulder. So inverse head and shoulder, we can see right here, this will be our left shoulder, and this will be the neckline, and then this will be the head, this will be the neckline again, and then this right here will be the right shoulder, and then we shoot back up right there. So this is the type of a structure that I'm seeing on the GBP USD. For me, I see a lot of potential to the upside more than the downside. So I'm just going to assume that the market should come this side, give it enough space to breathe. We're going to sell at this point, and then we shoot up. This would be our first target. Upon breaking this, we will then shoot up again. So this is what I'm seeing for now on the GBP USD. Let's switch to 1 hour to identify our potential entries. I saw a hand, Mbali. You were raising your hand. Can you please ask question if you want to ask, or you can just type it. So currently we are on an hour, and then we are spotting this 1 hour time frame. So as I said, I'm expecting the market at least to shoot a little bit down. I'm expecting the market to shoot down, at least to come here first and then come back here to retest, at least go up, down again, so that we can take this potential buy. That's what I'm seeing on the market currently. So I'm confident enough to take this as a buy and not a sell. But should there be any changes, you will just get a message from the group, and then we will continue with the setup right there. For those who are watching on YouTube, you can just check one of the videos. The video that I posted yesterday, you can check the description. We have a channel link there for Telegram, so you can just join the Telegram group. So are we clear on this one, guys? The guys on a Zoom meeting, can you please raise hands, ask questions if we are clear enough on this one, so we can move on. And also I'm going to send these setups just now in the group. Just now I'm going to send these setups in the group. So since there's no one with a question, then I guess we should just continue. Let me check the YouTube one. The question on YouTube says, are you going to enter on the first bounce on or the retest? I'm going to enter on the first bounce, simply because of sometimes there might not be a retest. You will wait forever waiting for a retest, and that's the problem with support and resistance. You can just wait for a retest, that will never happen. So either way, even if I take the first one right here and then the market come to retest, I'm still on a winning side, because at the end of the day I'm expecting the market to go up. So for me to wait for this retest, that might not happen. There are possibilities that I might get this. There are possibilities that the market might come in, hit this side right here, and then shoot up one way before even like giving me some sort of a double bottom right there. So I'm going to enter on the first one and then keep on holding. Even if the market can come to retest, I will still know what I'm looking for. Alright, I guess you guys on Zoom don't have any questions. Now let's move on. Let's do the Nasdaq. I know a lot of people like Nasdaq. Hey, Nasdaq is dangerous, guys. So, but yeah, anyway, let's move to Nasdaq. As I said, we start on a daily time frame, and then you have to clear everything so that you can be able to see. Happiness, aware, thanks for the support, aware. So you can see that Nasdaq right here, this is the highest price. Okay, going to start with our trend lines. So we're starting on a daily time frame, and then we go down up until 1 hour. So but then confirming our entries, we will confirm our entries on 15 minutes, can be 15 minutes, can be 30 minutes. So but if you are in the Telegram group, you would know when to enter, because I'm going to explain as the market moves that like now is the right time to enter, or now is not the right time to enter. Let's wait for this to happen, and let's wait for this to happen. So we are currently on an uptrend. The market came, bounced here, first touch, second touch, and now we are looking. Okay, we just completed the third touch. This is the first touch, this was the second touch, and here is the third touch, meaning that we are shooting up now. Okay, but not only that, remember, even on an uptrend we can still have some downtrend inside the uptrend. So let's just scale to the lower time frame and see what's going on. 4 hours. With Nasdaq, it's very clear enough. It's very clear enough that Nasdaq it's a buying market. Once this type of setup complete, you are confident enough to take buys. So as you can see, for the past, from when, since this day right here, since the 16th of February up until the 5th of March, we've been going down. Now the market has changed its own direction, and which is a good thing. At least we are confident enough with buying opportunities. You know very well that most people are always saying that Nasdaq is forever buying. So if you are going to go against the trend, hey, you will get hurt, because this is Nasdaq. People on Zoom, are we still there? Are we still participating? Are we still listening? As Fiso says, can you drop your link, bro? Just check the video that I posted last night. You will get the link in the description, or I will just comment with a link here on YouTube. Just hold on and I will comment. There is the link. There is the link. So yeah, let's continue. Here's the chat. Let's see. Okay, we are still here. That's good. I hope you are getting value. So yeah, let's continue. Nasdaq, I'm spotting this line right here. I'm spotting this price right here. Mbali says I can't hear the sound. Okay, don't worry Mbali, these lessons, I'm recording these lessons so you will get them. So I'm spotting this price right here. So I don't want to deal with price only, so I'm going to get a zone right there. The reason why I'm using zones instead of just a price like that, it's because we can never confirm if the market will turn exactly at this type of price or exactly at this line. So with a zone, we know that the market can range inside a zone before it can react, either break out or resist the price. So again, once again, this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm currently seeing here on Nasdaq. I'm going to have this zone right here. It's very clear enough for me when I use zone instead of using just a single line. There we go. So we can see here Nasdaq just more like GBP USD. Nasdaq just broke this line right here, this trend line, and then it came back to retest, and now we're shooting up. So we are looking for buying opportunities. We are looking for buying opportunities on Nasdaq, either to come at this level right here or even break this level right there to go and test at this level right here. It might still come to test at this level right here, of which is the new price, and if it gains a lot of momentum, then it can even break, creating a new higher high. Is the Telegram group Forex Hub South Africa? No, that's not the group. I don't trade. I don't use systems like robot to trade. So as you can see here, it's just pure price action. So in the Forex group, in the Forex Hub, they are actually using robots to trade. So let me just explain once again. We check on a daily time frame, we check the trend. Now we saw that we are on an uptrend, so meaning that buying opportunities will be much rewarding more than selling opportunities. However, we're still going to have selling opportunities within that uptrend. So that's very clear enough. Then we switch down to 4-hour time frame. Now on a 4-hour time frame, we're going to identify our zones and our zones and the price where market actually fails to react or fails to break out or fails to at least cross impulsively. So we're going to scale down to 1-hour time frame and then to check our entries there. So this is what we have currently on an hour time frame. I'm going to leave this thing right here. So I can have this confirming our buying opportunities. So currently we are looking for buying opportunities on this pair. As you can see, this zone being respected multiple times and still failing to cross this zone again to come here. So we are looking for buying opportunities on Nasdaq. note that we are looking for buying opportunities on Nasdaq. Don't worry, I'm going to send this to the group as well, so we can actually wait until the market breaks this trend line there, and then we can take our buying opportunities. Stop loss will just be somewhere here, and then we will hold this position up until this side there. Or another scenario may be that the market might still come just down here once again, and I hope it does, because if it comes right here, it will give us a clear entry. We will enter at this point, and then hold this position up until this side right there. So I hope everything is very clear enough. Remember, we are going to look for entries on a 15 minutes time frame and a 30 minutes time frame. So it's time for questions now. Time for questions. Let me answer some few questions, and then we will do the last pair, then we are done. Malusi asked if can take trades based on this. You can take the trades based on this. Yes, it's weekend, the market is closed, so this is what we are looking forward to once the market opens. However, read the description. I'm not going to be held accountable for any losses that you make, so you need to at least be sure when you're taking trades, these are just trading ideas and not trading signals. So these are just ideas. You need to at least go do these things on your own as well, and then look for opportunities based on what you know and then based on what you understand. Remember, what works for me may not work for you, so you need to at least have clarity on both sides. What's your take on gold? I don't trade gold. I don't trade gold. I just want to be specific with you. I don't trade gold. It's too tricky for me. So I'm not good in like trading gold. Don't you think we should have first and second profit on Nasdaq to be on the safe side? Now that's a good idea. We can have first profit right here at this level right there. Can have like our first profit just to be on the safe side. I like that. Just to be on the safe side, you can have the first profit right there, and then wait for the second profit up there. But should the market right now currently, when the market opens, should it break this trend line right here, it means that the idea of us having TP1 and TP2 will be invalidated. We will just aim for this zone there. I like the idea. It's a very brilliant idea. First TP and second TP, that's very important. So you always use 1 hour time frame for Nasdaq? No, I do not use 1 hour time frame for Nasdaq. With Nasdaq I go as down to like 5 minutes. I go down to 5 minutes and I get clear opportunities there. But then since it's weekend, we cannot scale down to 5 minutes or 15 minutes, and also that information is actually for my people who I'm trading with, you understand? So yeah, we go down to 5 minutes and see clear entries there. So what else? Okay, it's fine. Let us now look at what. Okay, let us now look at GPY. If there are no questions, then let us move on. I've already did some analysis right here, and I'm going to remove them. So GBP USD been going up for some time now. I suggest you, if you're on YouTube, I suggest you check the video that I posted last night, of which is what we took. The GBP USD is what we had, and we took this trade right here. This trade right here. Those who are in the channel group, Telegram channel, knows that I did said that pay close attention to JPY is about to respect the setup, and this was the setup, and it did shot up. So if you're on YouTube, you better check that video. So with this one, I'm going to start on a 4-hour time frame. I'm going to start on 4-hour time frame, right? Just to save time, man. Just to save time. It's been long. I need to be on the streets. So it's currently shooting up. So we're just going to use basic support and resistance to predict the future moves. So currently this is the lowest price, and then this is the highest one. As I said, I'm only focusing on the current price. I don't care what happened before. I only use the information that has passed when I'm backtesting. So let's switch to 1 hour. Just be quick. Time is almost like we are running out of Zoom meeting, guys. We are running out on Zoom meeting, but then I guess this lesson is over. So we are done with this lesson. So we're going to actually send this video to the group, or just upload it on YouTube. I'll see which one works better, and then if I upload this video on YouTube, I'll just send the link to the group. So currently this is what we are having on GBP JPY. Now I'm just observing. I don't have any clear direction, but since we are on an uptrend, I can aim for buys somewhere right here. Since we are on an uptrend, I can aim for buy somewhere right here. So everything that I did, guys, we have confirmations. We also go down to check the candlestick formation, how the price approach the support or the resistance, or how the price approach the trend lines. We're not just only going to enter just because of the market is right here. So we need to have like confirmations in everything, that in every pair that you trade, you need to have a confirmation. So this is what I'm looking for on GBP JPY. I'm going to analyze XTI USD and Euro USD, and then send it to the Telegram group. So let's use this remaining time, at least 8 minutes, to answer some few questions. See, yeah, Mbali, you can no, it's not Mbali, but yeah, I see it on YouTube. It says your live. Yeah, you can watch from YouTube. It's fine. Any questions? I'm up for questions now before I go out. Questions? Even on YouTube there are no questions, so I guess everything is clear. So to those who are on YouTube, be sure you check the comments there. Ernest Mampana, check there. There is the link there. You can use that link to join the group, and then you will get to see the changes, if there are any changes with the pairs that we just analyzed, and then I will just send to the group. No questions on my side, so clear. So okay, if it's clear, are you finding value with these live sessions? Should we do them more often, or should we just continue with the setups without explanation? That's the question I wanted to ask. So the name of the Telegram group is Self-Made Traders Public Group. One word. Self-Made Traders Public Group. You can just scroll on in the comments, you will see the link. Yes, please, we can do them at least every weekend, preparing for the week ahead. And that's good. We're actually going to do them every week. And also I'm going to completely change the content on like Forex Hub South Africa, and I'm going to change the content to my first of all, I'm going to change the brand name to my name. So I'm going to rebrand the channel, and also instead of me focusing on what other people are doing, the lifestyle and all of that, I rather use the channel to document my journey in the Forex industry. I'm planning to hit 13 millions this year, so yeah, I wanna document everything in the Forex Hub channel, but then with a different name. I don't know if it's a good idea or it's a bad idea, guys. Which type of content do you enjoy, guys? Is either the lifestyle or this type of a content? Which one? Which one is it, guys? Which one is it? I would like to know. I would like to know. Like, help me to restructure this channel, guys. We have 22,000 subscribers here. We just hit 22,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, it's been a long coming. So I just want to know actually how to restructure the channel. If you think I should keep the lifestyles and then continue with this idea on a different channel, then it's fine. But if you think like this channel is the right channel for us to communicate and do these things, is fine. I will rebrand the channel. Analysis only, I like that. Lifestyle is a no, I like that. Nah, that's good. Guys on YouTube, guys on Telegram, we are left with 3 minutes. So they say in lifestyle doesn't add much of the value, but can also motivate. So don't take it down, don't take it out completely. You have a point. But then here's I would like to share a mini story, guys. There a lot of people that I'm posting their content on my channel. Most of them, not all of them, most of them approached me and in a manner that I didn't like. So for an example, if I were to get a video where someone is being exposed and I post that video on my YouTube channel, some people attack me. I'm busy editing that video where I'm explaining why people are attacking me and not other Forex channels. So yeah, people are busy attacking me, so kind of like dragging my name into the mud. I just want to clear my name. I just want to be a free person. I just want to have control over my channel. I don't know if I make sense, but yeah, that's the kind of issue I'm having. So yeah, I'm leaving this Zoom meeting, and then on YouTube let us analyze XTI USD, and then we will be out. So on Zoom, guys, you will get this recording and also the setups. As always, we send the setups during the weekend. So yeah, thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for joining, and next time you should do that. So while it's still converting, let us continue here on YouTube. Let us continue with XTI USD. Guys, I'm very much confident in taking the XTI USD more than Nasdaq, guys. This is like Nasdaq to me. This pay is very rewarding, but it has its own way of rewarding, of course. But then to me, this is the right pay for me to grow. Like as you can see from the previous, what I've been doing with this pay, it's massive, man. It's massive. It's massive, you know. So yeah, man, this pay for me is very rewarding. I see link to the group, please. In the comments, just give me just scroll up, you will see the link. Just scroll up, you will see the link. So I like this pair. Less people that know about it, and it's very rewarding, this pair. So one thing, I actually went to this type of pair instead of like Nasdaq, USD, and all of that, is that you will log into Instagram and find people are making like what, thousands, man, 800,000. No, I'm lying. 100,000, like 70,000. We see these kind of figures on Instagram, and I'm here like, okay, people are making 70,000. I only made 7,000 on the very same pay that they took. So you know, Instagram can add pressure. So with this pay, you will never see one posting about this pay. That will be me only. And this is the pay I actually used to take my $12 account to, you believe it or not, it's up to you. I took $12 account to $780 US account with this pay in just a week. Talking about a week here. In just a week, I still have the screen recording. Maybe one day I will show you. So yeah, let me not waste much of your time, guys. I know it's weekend, man. We need to go out, we need to go chill. So I'm simply going to start here on 4-hour time frame. But okay, let me just switch to daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, guys, one thing I want you to see is that, as you can see right here, this was the highest high, and now we are currently above this. We are currently above this price right here. So this confirms that we are still going up. However, we might come back down to retest here and then shoot back up. That's simple support and resistance, right? So I would just switch now to 4 hours time frame, and then we will start analyzing from there. So on a 4-hour time frame, never mind these things, I'm still going to do my analysis on Sunday. I like to do my analysis on Saturday and Sunday to check if I still have the very same idea that I initially had. So to check right here, we have this. Let me change color so you won't get lost. Let me use the blue lines, and then this right here again. And then we have again this, the highest zone. Also I have the lowest zone. That's the highest zone, the lowest zone. Currently the market is going down, anticipating that the market might come to retest this zone, this mini zone, or at this price right there. Once the market reaches here, I'm confident enough to take more buys on this pair, because it's more like Nasdaq. It's always on an uptrend move, unless there's a global pandemic like coronavirus. Anyway, so what I'm looking forward to this pair is just, if the market crosses right here, I'm still going to wait until it retest and then go back up. So it's simply going to move this one like this. Or even better scenario, I'm waiting for the market to shoot down, come here, give me some sort of a double bottom and then shoot back up right there. So how is this pair rewarding? Let me explain this pair a little bit. How is this pair rewarding? It's like, you know, with Nasdaq, with the broker that I'm using IC market. So with the broker that I'm using, Nasdaq mini lot size is 1.00. So that's Nasdaq US Tech. And then this pair you can at least use 0.50. That's like the mini lot. So typical example, if you have mini lot on Nasdaq and mini lot on XTI USD, and then you buy them both and then they both go into profit, let me just say you use the same entry levels, same take profit and same stop loss. When you at least get $10 profit from Nasdaq, on XTI USD it will be $5, both mini lot size. So for you to get the same result with Nasdaq, you need to at least double the lot size on XTI USD. So meaning it will be 1.00 instead of 0.50. I hope that's clear enough. So it says which broker is having this pair? IC markets. I'm using the IC markets, so IC markets is the one that is having this pair. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing so far, though I'm saying that I'm still going to do my analysis again tomorrow just to see if I still have the very same mentality or the very same setup or the very same picture in the market that I saw the previous day, of which is today. So yeah guys, if you don't have any more questions, let's call it a day. It's 2 o'clock now. We're about to go out, about to hit the streets and see some friends. So if you don't have any questions, let's call it a day. So don't forget the Telegram group. You can check, you can scroll up there and then you will see the link. Otherwise you can check the video that I posted yesterday. It's titled Market Weekly Review Episode 1. So you can check that video and then you will get the link in the description. Otherwise it was a very peaceful session. I hope to see you again next week. I hope to see you in the Telegram group, where we will be actually sharing if there are any changes with the setups.